Hello, I was asked to explain what I do with privet branches after I cut the hedges. I always have an area that is not in cultivation and drop the branches there. The leaves dry out and come off the branches by themselves. Over the winter the leaves start to break down further and become a nice mulch that can enrich the soil underneath. Those privet cuttings that I chucked over here, I've taken a load of the top branches off, and when you do that, get rid of the branches, you can see you've got this nice set of leaves that are perfect as a mulch for the beds, and underneath it the soil is actually moist, whereas over there you can see when it wasn't mulched it's actually all cracked and nasty. So that was a good thing to do. So this bed is going to be better prepared, and there's no weeds. Well, there's no weeds in this bit, and then the bit that didn't get the mulch, you can see what the difference is. So definitely throw your privet cuttings onto the beds for overwinter. It certainly does the job. In spring I can pick out the branches easily. The bigger branches can be given to a neighbouring allotment holder with a wood burner to heat his shed and greenhouse. The smaller branches will get burnt and the ashes added to the compost heap. Well, Lisa, I hope that explanation answers your question. Goodbye for now and come back soon.